I would like to tell you what is HTML elements and the basic elements. So these HTML elements are also called as a tags. Let's have a look what are they. So first I will insert very basic HTML structure. So by hitting HTML we can see basic structure of HTML elements is there in this title tag. I will insert my tag whatever I need, website elements. Save this one. So let's have a look how it seems to be. And here in this body section we have to assign elements, whatever elements we want to insert and we want to use in our web page designing. We have to use all these elements in between body tag on. So come under this section, what I will do is I will go with heading tags. So heading tag means this is the H1 tag. They are having up to H1 to H6 tags is there. Depend upon our requirement we can use all these heading tags in our website. So here you can see this is the heading tag. So what I will do is just I will copy and place all the tags to implement the output. So let's have a look. This is H1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will change this name as H2. And after that I will insert a H2 and come under this session. I will insert a H3 and H3 will be there. And here we can see H4. Okay, I will insert H4. So we are assigning H5 tag and also closing this H5 tag. Come to this session, I will assign H6 and here we can see H6 tag is closed. Let's have a look how it seems to be. So come to this browser area and refresh this one. Heading tag seems to be like this. Wherever if you need these heading tags, wherever in your web page or website you can use these heading tags. And another element known as tag, I will use this paragraph tag. If you want to insert any kind of paragraph in your website, you need to use this paragraph element, nothing but tag. So in between this paragraph only I will insert some content. Nice. So what I will do is just I will copy this line and I will paste couple of times. So now we can see our paragraph has been done. Come to the browser session, just refresh here. We can see it seems to be like this. Whatever paragraph you may take, it seems to be horizontally 100%. Width will be there and we can see Arial font will be there. Okay, this is the paragraph element. We can create any kind of paragraphs by using this paragraph element or paragraph tag. So next, I would like to show you another tag known as blockquote. Okay, so I will add blockquote tag and I will copy this entire paragraph to paste in blockquote tag. So come to this section, I will use a blockquote tag. In between blockquote tag only, I will insert this paragraph. It seems to be like this. Just save this one and go to browser, just refresh here. You can see the difference between paragraph tag and blockquote tag. Blockquote tag always maintains some space between here in this front side and the ending side. So remember, every paragraph or every box, whatever using in our HTML elements or tags, there we can see there is four kinds of parts will be there. Top section is there, right section is there, bottom section is there, left section is there. So by using all these four sides only we can adjust we can maintain we can assign some space between the paragraph or any other tag. We will discuss about the topic in upcoming class. So come to this session, I will show you another element known as bold tag. So for that bold tag, what we have to do is just insert this bold tag, and in between this bold tag only we need to insert, in between only we have to insert that content. So this is bold tag. So let's have a look how it seems to be. Come to browser area and have a look. Our preview seems to be like this. This bold means normal text seems to be, it means it converts as some highlighted text. It is nothing but a bold tag. So that I will introduce you another tag known as italic tag. Okay, I will close this italic tag also. This is italic tag. Okay, so save this one. So meanwhile I will refresh this one. So we can see italic seems to be some different style having that font and text. So after that I will introduce you another tag known as underline. Means we can use this underline tag. In between underline tag I will insert this is underline tag. Just save this one and come into browser section, have a look. It seems to be like this. So we can use these tags in any web page wherever you required. We can use these tags in our website. So next I would like to show you some list item related tag known as another list. So let's have a look. It seems to be like this. And in between list items tag we have to assign list item li also. So here we have to assign our services or whatever content we want to insert between these list items. We have to insert that content between li only, list items only. So I will copy paste all these list items, and these list items are having in between another list items. So this is another list. So in another list we cannot find any kind of numbers 1 2 3 4 5 like this. It seems to be only dots. So if we need any numbers for these list items, we can assign another tag is known as order list. So this order list also having some list items. In between order list tag, we have to assign some list item. In between list items only, we can assign some content between list items. What I will do is I will copy and paste all the list items and save this one. So what I will do is just refresh from here. We can say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So whatever list items you will insert in between this OL, so it executes the automatic numbers whatever it had. So this is the order list. Okay, so these are the very basic tags. You can use these tags in our web page or website wherever you need, depend upon requirement. So we had another tag is the marquee tag. We will discuss about the topic in next session.